Congratulations, you have reached level 2. Now in level 2, we will just make it slightly difficult and more challenging so that you begin to train your muscles in a much better way so that you become fearless and you can move in the middle. So in level 2, as you will see, I have taken the yoga mat and also I am taking support of the wall. So at level 2 also we are performing it with the support. So what am I going to do? First, sit, get your feet on the wall. Basically we are just trying to take almost leg distance from the wall approximately, and your head is going to rest somewhere close to the area where your anus is resting, somewhere over there. So this is just a basic measurement. Now roll over, turn around. We will start in the same way. Fold your hands. The outer side of your elbows should be touched by the fingers, the opposite fingers, and the same thing will happen in the other side also. Fold your hands. The elbow, the outside needs to be touched with your fingers. Now you press your elbows on the floor. Make it firm so that it doesn't move. Now it should not move. So your elbows are shoulder width apart. So your elbows are just below your shoulders. Interlace your fingers and push the tip of the fingers. Edge on the floor. This is not collapsing. This is important to note. Get your crown on the floor. So I am just slightly moving in to make sure I have the right resistance. Knees off the floor, hold it. What you are going to do, right toe up on the wall and push the toe. When you push the toe against the wall, that will throw your body away from the wall. And then the left leg. It is almost at 90 degree. Now this is a very comfortable position. What I need to do, I need to create some resistance so that like if I lift one leg up, the other leg automatically wants to come up. So what will I do? I will go slightly in, maybe approximately 1 or 2 inch in. See, you have to feel that when you go up, you should feel a lot of firmness in the body. Now this is much firm. Now elbows are pressed, my legs are straight, and don't allow your shoulders to collapse tall. Everything is fixed. My core is active, there is a vacuum in my abdomen. I am walking my right leg up, see. Tall. Just hold over there. You have to learn to master this. As you get your toe up, right toe up, the left groin area will be locked. Once you are comfortable, see. What am I doing? I am just getting my heel away from the wall. See. And going up. Once again, this is my base position. So first I am going up. I am just walking the leg up on the wall and straight up. See. Once you are comfortable in this one, be very gentle, because if there is any jerk over here, you will fall back. So what you are going to do basically in this position, get your heel away from the wall. Lock this area, heel away from the wall, and then up this way. And keep your body tall as possible. This position. Slowly you can come on the wall and come down. The most critical part at this stage is your distance from the wall. It should not be very far away from the wall so that you don't have the control. It should not be very close. If it is very close and then when you try to get the other foot off the wall, away from the wall, you will just collapse down. So that measurement is very important. First understand the right resistance and then slowly you are getting the other leg up by getting your heel away from the wall. So this was our level 2. Let's move to level 3 and do it independently in the middle.